phase diagram for CO2 is shown below. What are the approximate values for the critical temperature and the critical pressure in this figure? So when we go about planning our solution to this problem, we need to find the critical point in this plot. And the critical point is the point above which a material forms a supercritical fluid. That's an SCFU. So when we go to solve this problem, we first of all locate the critical point right here, and then we trace backwards to the y-axis to find the pressure and the x-axis to find the temperature here. And we can read off the values that we need. The answer for the critical temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and the answer for the critical pressure is 10,000 kilopascals. To check whether our answer is correct or not, we can have a look at this figure and determine if there's any other things we might have missed, or maybe we got the wrong point. This point here is another distinctive point that you need to know about. It is the triple point, so that's not relevant to this case. It's the point at which solid, liquid, and gas all can coexist. And so that's not relevant in this case, so we can move on. We're done.